Toronto's condo market has been in a bloodbath. Thousands of units have been sitting empty, developers are sweating bullets, and prices are getting hammered. But guess what? While everyone else is panicking, a big Montreal family office just rolled in and dropped nearly $30 million on a huge pile of unsold condos. And they're not stopping there. They're turning them into rentals. Today I'm going to break down exactly what Jesta Group is doing and why it's actually a brilliant and the exact same macro strategy as us here at Foundation Capital are actually doing it, crushing it with purpose-built rentals right now. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. Jesta just bought nearly an entire new condo building near Toronto Metropolitan University for about $30 million. That's hundreds of units at a steep discount. Think $700 to $800 per square foot when the neighborhood average is over $1,100, $1,200 a square foot. And they didn't stop at one building. They just announced a $500 million buying spree over the next 12 months to scoop up over 1,000 condo units across Toronto, convert them into rental inventory. If you guys have been following along on any of our streams, we always talk rentals. We are into development right now and we are not doing condos whatsoever. And clearly this company knows exactly what's up, copying us. They're basically doing what the government keeps saying they want. They want to create more rental supply without waiting years for new construction. So why is that a smart move right now? Toronto has a massive condo inventory just sitting vacant. Interest rates are still elevated. Buyers are on the sidelines, so developers are desperate to move units. Jesta gets in at a discount, rents them immediately, cash flowing day one, holds for roughly 5 years, that's the plan. Then they sell into what is expected to be a stronger market driven by immigration and population growth. Oh, and Ontario's new HST rebate is saving them up to $130,000 per unit. Nice little tailwind there. This is an opportunistic investing at its finest. Buying a distressed inventory and turning it into a de facto purpose-built rentals. Now, this is where it gets really interesting for those of you following Foundation Capital. Make sure you guys hit the like button and you subscribe. While Jesta has been buying existing condos and converting them, Foundation Capital is straight up building new rental apartments and purpose-built rentals right from the ground up. No strata titles, no condo fees, fighting with investors, just clean, institutional quality rentals designed for tenants from day one. This Jesta deal is a massive validation of exactly what Foundation Capital has been executing on. Rental demand in Canada's biggest cities is exploding, supply is constrained, and the best risk-adjusted returns right now are in the multifamily sector, not the condos. Whether you're buying existing buildings at a discount and rent them, like Jesta, or develop a brand new purpose-built rentals like Foundation Capital, the macro setup is the same. Canada needs hundreds of thousands of more rental units. Immigration isn't slowing down. The ownership affordability is still terrible for most people. Bottom line, if you're an accredited investor looking for real estate exposure with cash flow and downside protection, this is part of the market that's working. Jesta just proved that you can still make money in Toronto real estate. You just have to be smart about it. Foundation Capital Development is on the build side of that same playbook, delivering new rental supply while we generate attractive yields for our private real estate trust investors. So drop me a comment down below. Would you rather buy discounted condos and rent them or invest them, or new purpose-built rental developments? Let me know. Smash that like button if you want more Canadian real estate content. We do videos every single week covering from tenants to toilets to investments and how you can make more money in real estate passively.